Stephen Gradmatic installation system is an innovative technology, came to India first time for the foundry and steel industry. This automation system enhances the lining life and overcome the problem associated with the conventional lining system.
The furnace bottom is compacted in one operation from the furnace deck using a vibrator plate equipped with two pneumatic eccentric vibrators. The vibrator plate, custom designed to fit within 1 inch of the floor diameter, ensuring even and full vibration, is lowered by hoist. Floor vibration is accomplished in about 12 minutes with no worker entering the confined space of the furnace and risking exposure to hazardous dust. Insta-center device. Centering the furnace form using Gradmatic Insta-center tools. A set of spacing tools is used to install the form within the furnace accurately in about 10 minutes. For furnaces of approximately 9 tons or larger, 4 tools are required, but for smaller capacities, 3 tools are used. The furnace form is lowered by hoist and suspended approximately 2 inches from the furnace bottom, allowing it to move easily within the circumference. Refractory dispensing and ramming machine, Gradmatic. Refractory dispensing and ramming machine performs 2 functions. It simultaneously dispenses dry refractory between the furnace wall and furnace form and automatically deaerates the material. This results in an evenly distributed dense lining and very low respirable silica levels. Only 2 workers operate the machine despite the furnace size. The refractory installation system is set on top of the centered form by hoist. Super sacks of material are lowered into the hopper and the release spout freed. The empty sack is removed and the lid is locked in position. Minimatic. The machine is engaged and rotates around the form, creating a layer of material between 1.5 and 2 inches thickness. Simultaneously, each layer is deaerated at a rate of 400 strokes per revolution using dual forks. The fork tines penetrate to a depth of approximately 4.5 inches. Thus, each layer is penetrated at least twice, effectively mixing the layers and providing optimum pre-compaction. The hopper is refilled as necessary and the process repeated until the top of the form is reached. The refractory dispensing and ramming machine can be adjusted to line various size furnaces having different dimensions. Conventional manual installation is both labor-intensive and dangerous, particularly with respect to silica dust. In addition, consistency is difficult to achieve with both layering of material and uninterrupted deaeration. Vibrating furnace sidewalls using the refractory vibration system. Sidewalls are vibrated using a 3 or 4-legged equipment fitted with eccentric electric vibrators. A central pneumatic cylinder extends the spring-loaded legs against the interior of the form, simultaneously delivering equal force to 3 contact points. The unit is lowered to the bottom of the furnace with vibration beginning 1 inch above the base of the form. The legs are adjusted against the angle of the taper using an air valve to ensure that the contact is controlled and consistent during vibration. Vibration is concentrated in the tapered section of the form where maximum compaction is critical to long lining life. 8 of the typically 14 minutes vibration time is spent in this area. The machine is then slowly pulled up the form, ensuring equal treatment for the entire length of the parallel section. Installation and vibration of furnace floor material. Material is added to the furnace bottom by hoist using super sacks, which are now available from most refractory suppliers with specially designed spouts to reduce airborne dust.
We are standing for equal participation for customer win. We assure quality product and best after sale and services as per international standards.